Hi kids, today we are going to draw a shark. So let's get started. First, we will add one curve. Now we'll leave some space and add another curve. Now we'll draw a fin. It's called a dorsal fin. Now let's add a curve again, leave some space and add another curve. Then we are going to add a fin. It's called a pectoral fin. Now we'll add tail. It's called caudal fin. By curving up, add a curve, add one more, and let's join the curve. Now we'll draw shark teeth by adding a curve, going down another one, and we'll add a teeth by drawing zigzag. Let's draw eye. Draw a circle inside the eye, add another circle, and let's fill out the eye with the black marker or a crayon. Now we'll add gills. This is where the shark breathes. Now we'll draw water bubbles by drawing one circle, another one, and the third one is going to be a little bit smaller. There you go. We drew a beautiful but mean shark. Okay kids, now here is a fun part. By coloring, you can use your marker or a crayon. Thanks for following along. Easy drawings for kids. Click on the next video for another fun drawing. Be sure to subscribe to all of our new videos coming up. Thanks and see you again soon.